Hey, this is Andy here, introducing you to the Vive folding scooter. This thing is perfect for traveling. This mobility scooter automatically folds with included remote control for easy portability. Resting on 4 flat free tires, the foldable mobility scooter safely travels over smooth surfaces, including inclines of 9 degrees or less. For your comfort, the standard tiller is height adjustable for a customizable fit for most adults. It features convenient off-board charging, giving you 11 miles on one single battery charge. It provides greater safety and control. The foldable scooter includes a speed adjustment knob, allowing you to set the maximum scooter speed up to 3.7 miles per hour. This unit is also lightweight yet very durable. The frame safely supports up to 220 pounds and only weighs 55 pounds. And when you're looking to travel, don't feel restricted. The folding mobility scooter is TSA approved.